everyone, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an easy fortune teller. So I'm first going to teach you how to make these lines on your fortune teller. So I already have this little paper to teach you, and there's marks. So from this point to the other orange point, we're going to connect it. Then we're going to open it, and this green mark to this green mark, like that. And then you open it again, and it's like this. So I already have a done one. And then you're going to put it into a diamond shape. And then we're going to put the first edge part to the middle line we made. We've done two sides. Now I'm going to do side and then my last side. There. And since like that, I'm going to flip it over. Flip it over. Then it's like this. Going to do the same things, and the squares are there. Put it to the middle like that. There. That's where you need to put it. I'm going to start with this one. You can start with anyone here. And then I'm going to do this one now. There. To the middle. Now that's like that, we're going to flip it over again like that. Now we're going to put it like that, and then you can try to like put your fingers and voila! It's a perfect one. So, bye!